Hi everyone, Steve Sirico for Dance Teacher Web, and welcome back. We have a terrific exercise to help strengthen grand battements and for arabesques. Now what happens with a lot of students sometimes is their flexibility will increase faster than their strength. And when that starts to happen, aside from being exposed now to more risk for injury, they don't really have the control, so everything looks a little bit floppy. We found that this exercise really is a terrific exercise, plus it also helps develop a little flexibility as well. So we're going to start. Kendall's here to assist me. You're going to passe the leg, and you'll notice that everything's parallel, shoulders are nice and square, back against the bar, the student is holding on. She's going to développé that leg, and I'm going to take the foot, making sure that the hip stays square. I'm going to start to press this leg up. Now depending on the student's flexibility will depend how high you can go. Then from here, I'm going to encourage her to push down her leg, and now relax. And then again, push down and relax. And again, push down and relax. This time I'm going to let go and you try to hold it. And down. Very nice. So that's really helping to strengthen. At the same time, we are though working in flexibility. Now we can do the same thing in second position. So they're going to though turn the leg out. That's right, développé. And again, we want to encourage this hip to stay down so we can lift up. And I encourage you now to push down and release and push down and release and push down. And now try to hold it there and nice, and down. And we could do now this same thing in arabesque. So let's flip it around and take the leg back. Now from here, I'm going to lift it up. And now she's going to push it down. And I'm going to lift it up, and she's going to push it down. You're feeling it right in here, Kendall? Good. And down. And now I'm going to push it up, and you're going to hold it. And down. Great. So this is a really good exercise, again, to really feel that holding. You're really resisting, right? When it comes down, they really have to focus. But the nice thing about this, especially when the hips are in alignment, is that they feel where exactly they're holding it from. So they're not just clenching the quadriceps and getting that tight action, that they're also feeling from underneath. Then right after this, I like to encourage them to take one foot back and nice battements, just swinging the leg up, back, back, up, back, and up and back. That's right. So we get that nice pendulum swing. It helps relax the hips a little bit after that stretch, relax the quadriceps, and they get that nice feeling and all that newfound strength that they're developing. They can see how they can control the leg as it's coming down. So this is a great exercise. Give it to your students. You're going to see some fantastic results.